I wasn't there and we can't roll the we can't throw the hacky sack and get a replay on it. But it sounds like you were really close to doing everything right. No problem. I will be here when you need to recapture this revenue without using internal resources, because they told you, oh, we're just going to do this in-house and the economics of everything. How you can recapture it, Santosh, is not, hey, I'm just following up and just checking in to see if we can get this deal going, because they already told you no on that once. It's a real amazing trick I learned. It's even worked with my dad, Roy. I don't care, you wonder that. I don't want to drive and pick you. You can use a Scout. Oh, thanks, Dad. That's what I asked for the first time when you told me no. What you're going to do is you're going to give them new information. So you're going to call. Now, how long has it been, Santosh? It's been a couple months?
It's been 3 months.
Perfect. You're going to call and say, man, there is something that every whatever, medical practice administrator, whatever the situation is, having to deal with, nobody's talking about it. I was really shocked when we started peeling these numbers back. And it really had me thinking about you guys. I just wanted to make sure you're aware of something, right? When they call you back, hey, what's up? Yeah, I'll remember when we had spoke, and don't remind them 3 months ago where things kind of got left was you guys were going to do something and you were going to do it in-house. Here's what we're seeing now that nobody's talking about. The average medical practice has not one, and this is where you have to use your best judgment. I'm not saying go on Google and find this out, because you actually know more than McKinsey and Forrester on a lot of this stuff. Use your best judgment. Okay? Don't make up numbers, but use your best judgment. I'll use my best judgment. I'll give you probably pretty accurate numbers. The average medical practice has not one, but between 4 and 7 projects that they were going to do in-house that are still waiting to get around from 2023, right? And what they're finding is all of this stuff just starts to go up wave after wave after wave after wave, and then eventually all hell breaks loose, right? I just wanted to make sure that you were aware of that. And then 2 things here, okay? If there's anything that I can do, that my people can do, I love you guys. I really, based on everything you told me, you're an excellent candidate for us. This is what we do all day, every day. We don't see patients. We're not running the practice. This is what we do, and we're really good at it. I'd love to pick this up if I can take it. The other thing is, if I can pick this up, I know you were going to use these resources in-house. I am 1,000% confident that we can over-deliver for you on this project. Now, kind of with this new information, there might be some other projects that you guys also had that same philosophy of we're going to do it in-house. This might allow you to triage and go, what are the more important ones now that we're not going to use internal resources for billing or whatever you're doing, Santosh, right? That I can deploy there. I just wanted to make sure you were aware of that, right? Because the last thing I want is to be talking to you 2 months, 2 years, whenever down the road, and you say, man, we still haven't done that. And in the meantime, you guys have lost, $3.7 million. So and now here's what I'm not saying. I'll discount it, but I'm going to start to kind of imply it. If there's anything I can do special on my end, if there's anything I can do, it's killing me. Like I keep coming back to you guys, and I want to make sure that not only this is done, but it's done right. And even if your people are doing it right now, I want to make sure that it's done in an elite fashion and that less resources are being deployed, because I have a feeling those internal resources could be redeployed somewhere else, right? And then just restart the conversation that way. If you work in sales and you're serious about your career, I'm going to give you $300 right here, right now, to close more deals. Did we just become best friends? I think so. My name's Matt Easton. I'm the founder of Easton University. It's the most effective sales coaching system in the world. One little tiny piece of that sales coaching system is our mini masterclass on closing. It's $300. But I'm gonna cover the cost for you right now. I've set some money aside out of our marketing budget. If you click the link here, I will text you a code where you can go and grab the mini masterclass on closing. I'm gonna cover all of the cost for you. You pay nothing. There's no commitment on your end. My hope is that you close so much more business, you come and join us over at Easton University, but that choice is yours. If you wanna double, triple, quadruple your closing, right now, click the link. I will text you a code to get the Easton University mini masterclass on closing right here, right now, and I'm gonna cover all the cost for you. Click the link. I'll see you on the other side.